How to make money from cake business without baking a single cake. This is an idea that 99% of cake bakers don't know about, and it is yet to be explored. So if you learn these secrets, you can make a lot of money for yourself without even baking a single cake. Now, this idea I'm about to share with you is an idea that you can use whether you know how to bake or you don't know how to bake, or maybe you are a baker and you are not really getting the number of clients that you want. You are waiting for too long before you get a client. This is a model that you can adopt and be using to make money while you wait for a client that will want your baking service. Are you getting it now? So even if clients are not coming, you can use this business model to be making money for yourself as a baker. Are you getting it now? So make sure to watch this video to the end and try not to skip anything, because I'm going to be dropping hot information. This is something that a lot of people are looking for. All right, so make sure you don't skip any part of this video. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, my name is Awajimam Isuto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuff online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. Okay, so if you're ready, we are going to go straight into the video. Before we do that, I need you to kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you are going to be notified that I've shared a video. And of course, it's another way for you to support my growth, to support this channel. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into the video. Let me show you how to make money from cake business without baking a single cake. So baking actually is a very good thing. Okay, it's a very good thing. A lot of people eat cakes, but the thing is, you don't get clients most of the times. All right, the business is a good business, but sometimes it takes some time before people get birthdays, before people do weddings to ask for cake. All right, so you can actually adopt what I want to show you and be making money on the side without even baking. Now, there are different strategies and models for earning in the cake business without even touching an oven. Yes, there are many strategies of how to make money from this business without even touching an oven. But the one that I want to talk about now is the one that I've tried. All right, I've tested it and it is working, and I have students who are currently doing this right now, and it is real. Okay, so I want to show you how it is. This is a secret that 99% of bakers have not discovered yet. I'm saying it again because it is real. Okay, and I'm going to show you some facts. Okay, I'm going to show you some facts now, just to let you know, to show you that people want to know about cake business, about how to make money from cake. People want to learn about cakes. So let's go straight to my YouTube. I'm going to take you to YouTube right now. So just follow me. I'll take you to YouTube. Okay, I'll take you to YouTube. Let's just search. Let's see what are people saying about this cake thing. Okay, how to bake cakes. Now, can you see this topic now? See, I just typed in the search area. I said how to bake cakes. Can you see how to bake cakes without oven? How to bake cakes and decorate them? How to bake cakes for beginners? How to bake cakes without an oven? How to bake cake at home? How to bake cakes professionally? Can you see that the list is endless? Look at so many. If we pick one now, inside this one we pick, you will see a lot of questions that people are asking about baking. So that's where you can come in and teach people how to do cakes. All right, but we have not yet gone into the real thing I want to tell you now. But just follow me. Let's check what people are saying about baking. So I'll go into one of these videos. This one says how to bake cake without oven. So let's click on it. Let's see what people are saying. All right, let's see what people are saying. Can you see this first video? Let's just click on it. Right,
help drive sales.
Okay, good. I want to show you something. So follow me now. We want to find out the interest of people on this topic that we are doing now. Go to this place, the comment section. All right, we're not going to watch the video, the comment section. We go to the comment section and you can see a lot of people asking questions about cake, about baking. Are you seeing this now? Which shows you that there is a lot of interest in baking. There's a lot of interest around anything that has to do with baking. Okay, now if we do this same research, this simple exercise we just did now, if we do it for all other videos that we saw before, we are going to see a lot of people asking questions. Now let's open this. You say what this method is. Look at this person. Let's even go to this place now. You see this place. Hello Rosie and all you lovely folks. I am home. I am a home cook and I've been making most of my food most of the time. I'm 72 now and always fascinated. Now, if you open it, see this person is saying a lot of things. Now, you are going to go down. If we scroll down, we are going to see a lot of people talking about so many things. All right. Can you see? Look at it. If you take your time to look at it, you see that people are asking questions about baking. But that's not our business now. I'm just showing you that people have interest in cakes and baking. All right. That is why this idea I want to show you now is going to be sustainable and profitable. That's why I'm showing you this now. So follow me. Now, let's go back to our slide. All right. Yeah. So I told you that there are different strategies and different models for earning in this cake business. But I'm just going to talk about the one that I want to talk about, the one that works. All right. Now, what is the secret actually? What is this secret that 99% of bakers don't know? All right. I'll show you the secret now. The secret is to sell your brain. Very easy. Now, why did I say sell your brain? You're wondering, sell your brain. How? You will sell your brain. Why? Because there are millions, just like I showed you, there are millions of people that don't know how to bake. That's where you come in. You can teach them, share your knowledge about baking and let them pay you. Are you seeing this now? You share your knowledge of baking and let them pay you. But how exactly do you do this? How do you do this? You do this by selling your knowledge about cake using digital products. Are you getting now? You teach people how to bake cake and you collect money. Because now, if you're going to be saying, okay, we know that you're good in baking, if you're going to be waiting for days for somebody to come and patronize you, you are going to wait for a long time. And it takes time before you get your customers, before you get somebody to finally say, okay, bake a cake for me. Are you getting this now? Especially if you don't have a shop, especially if you don't have oven, especially if you are not established yet, if you're doing it from home, or maybe you're a student and you're doing cakes, it is really not easy to get clients. So you want to adopt this secret. You want to teach people how to bake cake and get paid for it. Now, how exactly do you create this digital product? What exactly is a digital product? A digital product is your knowledge or your solution that is packaged, that is meant to be consumed digitally. It can either be an ebook or a video course. So meaning that you can create an ebook, you can package a 10-page ebook explaining how to bake a cake, how to get the materials, what mixtures do you make, what are the equipment that you use to bake it, how do you do the icing. All of these things, you write it down. Even if you don't know how to write, you can create this thing. It's very easy, very, very easy. In less than 24 hours, you can do this. Now, for instance, you can package a 10-page ebook that explains step by step from beginning to the end. Or you can be doing the cake and be doing videos and explaining how you mix this one, how you do this, the name of this equipment, the name of this recipe and all of that. This is now, I'm baking my icing, I'm adding it, I'm doing this one. when you do all of that, you explain it and you break it into different steps and you package it as an ebook or as a video course, and then you host it online. There are millions of people that are willing to buy and they will buy. In fact, you can even add other recipes. All right, if you want to sweeten the day, you want to sweeten it so that people will rush it, you can add other African recipes that you know how to prepare and sell it for 2k, sell it for 5k, sell it for 10k. There are people that are ready to buy, people that want to learn this skill and use it to make money. They will buy it. Are you seeing this now? If you're getting value from this, just like this video, subscribe. Okay, now you can create the digital product that shows people how to bake. That's step 1. Step 2 is that you will host it on a digital selling platform. There are different digital selling platforms that allow you to host your product for free, your digital product for free. I am using one of these digital products and it has been working for me for over 3 years now. Okay, now that's just that. The next one is that you promote it aggressively. After you have hosted it online, you promote it aggressively so that people can discover it, so that people can see it. Are you getting now? It's not enough to just host it online. You host it and then you promote it and you do it on repeat so that you can start seeing sales. Okay, if you do this for 30 days, I can promise you, you are going to see results. If you do it for 30 days, maximum 60 days, you are definitely going to see results. Are you getting it now? So if this is something you are interested in, all right, if it is something you are interested in, I have created a step-by-step video that will show you the entire process from the beginning to the end of how you package it until you make sales. Now in that video, you're going to learn how to do research so that you can know where your audience are, where your buyers are. You are going to learn how to create the product. Are you getting now? I'll show you step by step how to create the product, and it doesn't even take you 24 hours or 48 hours if you are very good with cakes. If you know how to do cakes, if you know what you are doing, once you learn it the way I'll teach you, you don't have to spend 48 hours to create your digital product. I'll show you how to package it. I'll show you how to host it online for free. I'll show you how to promote it online. I'm talking of hosting and promoting on free platforms. Are you getting now? I will also show you how to sell it on repeat. Okay, I've been using this method for a long time now, and I have students who are practicing this from South Africa, from Canada. I have people who are practicing this. All right, I'll show you how to get paid in foreign currency and how to receive your payments to your local bank account. Okay, now if you think this is not real, let me show you a sample. Let me just show you something now. Follow me. Let me show you something, because this is a real business. I don't just talk something that is not working. I tell you something that is working and I show you proofs for it. Okay, so let me come to my email. Let me just show you something so you can understand that this is real. Okay, now look at this. Look at this. I want to show you this. Okay, let me show you this. Now look at this. This is a proof of payment of money I received from the same thing I'm even telling you about. This same thing I'm telling you about, selling your knowledge online as a cake person. Can you see? This is what? How much is this? This is $10 paid from somebody from South Africa. Are you seeing? That's one of my students. Are you seeing now? So this is a real business that can work for you. By the time I show you everything, you are going to learn how you can be selling these things to foreign people and be making money for yourself in dollars. And then once you convert your money, you can withdraw it. You can see this place says what? Withdrawal initiated 2nd of October. Are you seeing it now? You can withdraw your money to your bank account and then you spend your money and enjoy yourself. This is an idea that can change your life. All right, so back to my slide. What are you going to learn if you get into this program? You're going to learn how to research. You're going to learn how to create digital products. You're going to learn how to package it. All right. You're going to learn how to host the product online. You're going to learn how to promote it online. You're going to learn how to sell it and make sales on repeat. And you're going to learn how to get paid in foreign currencies and how you can withdraw it to your bank account, to your local bank account. And it doesn't matter whether you are a Nigerian or you are a foreigner or you are from anywhere. You can do this from anywhere in the world. You can do this from your smartphone. All right. So if you are interested in this without wasting time, just copy the link that you see on your screen right now. Copy this link and paste it on your browser. All right. It will open up the page. It will open up the page where you see more details about how you can get into the program. All right. Or you can go to the link in the description. I'll drop the link there for you. So once you see it, you click it. It will take you to a page where you see more details about everything you are going to be learning. All right. This is how you can make money from cake business without baking a single cake. If you got value from this, kindly tap the like button, kindly subscribe to this video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss anything I'm going to be sharing in this channel. All right. That's all I can take for now. I'm going to see you in my next video. Make sure to click the link. All right. Make sure to copy the link and just paste it on your browser and follow it through. And I'll see you inside. Enjoy.